Introducing the pinnacle of cutting-edge technology in woodworking, the brushless compact circular saw. This marvel combines high-speed precision with unparalleled portability. Its brushless motor ensures efficient power delivery, prolonging the tool's life while maintaining consistent performance. Weighing in as a featherlight powerhouse, this saw redefines convenience without compromising on power. Equipped with a robust battery system, it frees you from the hassle of cords, allowing unrestricted movement for intricate cuts. Safety takes the forefront with advanced features providing a secure cutting environment. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this circular saw is tailored to meet your every need. Ready to elevate your woodworking experience? Comment below with your thoughts, like if you're excited about the brushless compact circular saw, and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge tool reviews and insightful tips. Unleash the true potential of your craftsmanship with the best in the business. Join the community of skilled artisans. Like, comment, and subscribe now. Number 4 in our top today is the Greenworks circular saw. The Greenworks circular saw is a game changer in the world of woodworking, boasting a brushless compact circular saw with a host of remarkable features. The high-efficiency brushless motor propels this tool to deliver up to 50% more runtime and increased performance, making it a reliable companion for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a speed of up to 6,500 revolutions per minute and a 0.45-degree bevel capacity, this saw ensures precision cuts in various applications. The max cutting depth of 1.52 inches at 0 degrees and 1.12 inches at 45 degrees expands its versatility, catering to a range of cutting needs. The addition of a vacuum suction tube connects seamlessly with cleaners, maintaining a clean and clear working deck for an efficient workspace. Compact in design and lightweight, the Greenworks circular saw doesn't compromise on power. The integration of a Greenworks 24V lithium-ion battery ensures fade-free power, providing 20% more power and 35% more runtime than conventional models. The LED work light enhances visibility in dark and tight spaces, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. In summary, the Greenworks circular saw is a powerhouse of efficiency, combining cutting-edge technology, portability, and a commitment to cleanliness. Experience the next level of woodworking precision and convenience with this exceptional tool. Number 3 in our top today is the Metabo circular saw. The Metabo circular saw stands out as a cutting-edge tool, offering a plethora of features that cater to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring an impressive cutting depth of up to 219/32 inches, it solidifies its position as one of the deepest cutting cordless circular saws on the market. With a no-load speed of 4,100 revolutions per minute, this saw ensures swift and precise cuts, enhancing efficiency in every project. Remarkably lightweight at only 6.8 pounds, maneuverability becomes a breeze, allowing users to navigate through intricate cuts with ease. The -5 to 45-degree bevel range adds versatility, enabling back cutting and angled cuts for a broader range of applications. Safety and productivity are paramount, evident in the soft start and electric brake features that enhance user safety while maintaining efficiency. The Metabo circular saw is powered by brushless motor technology, effectively reducing size and weight without compromising on power. It is compatible with Metabo HPT's 18V or 36V multi-volt slide-type lithium-ion batteries, ensuring a reliable power source for extended usage. This circular saw seamlessly combines comfort and convenience with unparalleled power and precision, making it a pro-ready tool for any woodworking or construction project. Upgrade your cutting experience with the Metabo circular saw and witness the perfect blend of innovation and performance. Number 2 in our top today is the MOTORHEAD circular saw. The MOTORHEAD circular saw redefines precision cutting with its premium features designed for professional craftsmanship. Standout attributes include an optional laser cutting guide, ensuring flawlessly straight cuts, and the LumenMax LED light, illuminating work surfaces for enhanced visibility in dark spaces. This circular saw goes beyond standard capabilities, offering a deep cutting depth of up to 214 at 90 degree and 1.65 inches at 45 degree, surpassing the norm for 612 cordless circular saws. Safety is prioritized with a sturdy metal blade guard, providing superior protection compared to plastic guards prone to cracking and bending. The inclusion of a rip fence edge guide facilitates perfectly straight long cuts, guiding up to 5.5 inches in width. The optional dust management port connects effortlessly to vacuum systems, minimizing cleanup and reducing dust accumulation in workshops or indoor spaces. Versatility is key, and the MOTORHEAD circular saw delivers with a 0 to 50 degrees bevel for quick and precise miter cuts. The package includes a compact yet powerful 2A battery with an integrated fuel gauge for easy monitoring. When power runs low, the 1AR Rapid Charge Quick Charger swiftly revitalizes the battery. Elevate your cutting experience with MOTORHEAD circular saw, where premium features meet performance excellence. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the GALAX Pro Circular Saw. The GALAX Pro Circular Saw stands out as a powerful and versatile tool, offering a no-load speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute, effortlessly slicing through various materials including wood, PVC tubing, laminate flooring, plastic, plasterboard, and MDF. Its compact and handy design makes it a go-to choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a 24T tungsten carbide tipped blade, 412 inches in diameter, this circular saw ensures durability and precision in every cut. The laser beam guide and scale ruler further enhance accuracy, allowing users to achieve straight lines with high precision. The parallel guide and laser light work in tandem to guarantee consistent and precise cuts, ensuring the desired outcome for any project. The GALAX Pro Circular Saw doesn't just focus on cutting precision, it also incorporates user-friendly features. The bevel lever allows for easy angle adjustments, enabling bevel cuts of up to 45 degrees. The depth gauge lever and dust extraction system contribute to a cleaner workspace, minimizing cleanup time after use. In summary, the GALAX Pro Circular Saw is a powerhouse of efficiency and accuracy. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, this circular saw provides the tools you need for precise, hassle-free cutting in a compact and user-friendly package. Upgrade your cutting experience with GALAX Pro's reliable and versatile circular saw. In conclusion, the market boasts exceptional circular saws, each with unique features catering to diverse needs. From the precision of MOTORHEAD to the versatility of GALAX Pro and the innovation of Greenworks and Metabo, these tools elevate woodworking. Share your thoughts below, comment, like, and subscribe to stay tuned for more tool reviews and tips.